How are you boys and girls today? Now, yesterday we learned on something about my beautiful shape here in form of somebody, a cube. Yes, we made our real cube using the 1 meter ruler that we use to rule on our chalkboards. Now, yesterday we learned a few things about our figure here. We learned about this distance, this one, and here. Can somebody remind us what we said this distance here is called? Yes? Yeah, it is called the length of our cube. What about this distance from here down here? Yeah, the height. It's called the height. And we have the final one on this side. On this side from this corner to here, we called it the width. We called it the width. Now, these are the 4 faces of our cube. The three faces of our cube. Our cube here has 3 faces that we can see comfortably. We have the length that we have seen. We have recognized the height, and we have recognized the width of our cube. Now, yesterday we also looked and verified that our cube is 1 meter long. The length is 1 meter long, and we used our 1 meter chalkboard ruler to verify. So once we place our meter rule from here, run across like that, it is 100 centimeters. So from there we can say 1 meter, which is our chalkboard ruler, is the same as 100 centimeters. If you look at our chalkboard ruler here, this side from this edge to the far end here, we start from 0 to 100. And if you look here, we have the 1 centimeters. So I have marked one of my sides on my cube. I have graduated it into the centimeters. So if I place the ruler right under our length, you will see that the measurements or the readings are coinciding. They are the same. So this side is 1 meter. From our ruler here, 1 meter is 100 centimeters. So today, I want us to convert. This is volume. I want us to convert or change meters cubed to centimeters cubed to something that we can associate with. Now, when we were going through our topic yesterday on length, height, and width, we came up with the formula to get the volume of our cube there, and we say we get the volume by multiplying the length times the height times the width of our cube. And in our case yesterday, or when we measure again, our length is 1 meter by the height is 1 meter again by our width is also 1 meter, giving us 1 times 1 times 1 plus, it is the same as 1. The unit is meter cube or cubic meters. So today we want to bring this into a reality. Now, if 1 meter is the same as 100 centimeters, let's go back to our formula here where we said volume is the same as the length times the height times the width of our cube. So our length here, yesterday it was 1 meter, times 1 meter, which is the height, times 1 meter, which is the width. Now if we change this 1 meter into centimeters, now instead of writing 1 meter, change this one, it will go directly to 1 meter is the same as 100 centimeters multiplied by the height again, it is 1 meter. When we change it into centimeters, it will be 100 centimeters by the width again is 1 meter. When we change it into centimeters, we will have 100 centimeters. So when we come to multiply at the final end here, we have 100 centimeters, which is the length, the height of 100 centimeters, and the width of 100 centimeters. So when we multiply 100 times 100 times 100, we have 1 which is present in all, and then we count the number of zeros. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we transfer the zeros here. 1, 2, 3, count with me. 4, 5, 6. Now we can put our commas. We start from the ones column. We count 3, we put a comma. Count 3, we put a comma. Now from the one side we have 1, 2, 3, put a comma. 1, 2, 3, put a comma there. And what was the unit? We had changed from meters to centimeters. So come and write your unit here. It is 1 million cubic centimeters. 1 million cubic centimeters. Now from there now we can work out other sums involving converting meters cubed to centimeters cubed, because now we know that 1 meter cubed is the same as 1 million. 1 million centimeter cube. Always remember to put your commas after every 3 digits. So there we are. That is how we change meters cubed to centimeters cubed. Now we can do an example. An example here. Somebody to give us some measurements. Dash meters cubed. We can have 4 meters cubed. So the first thing we do, we write here 1 meters cubed is the same as 1 million centimeters cubed. So put your commas again, don't forget. So we are being asked to change 4 meters cubed into centimeters cubed. So we will write here 4 times 1 million. 1 million. Like that, your commas again. So 4 times 1 gives us 4. Then we add our 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Your commas again, and you are changing into centimeters cubed. So remember to write your unit. So 4 meters cubed changed into centimeters cubed. The answer is 4 million centimeters cubed. So when we continue doing more practice on this one, we shall be able to learn more on the conversion of meters cubed to centimeters cubed. Now you can do more practice in your books, and from there you will be able to do more of this practice, and it will become easy for you to convert meters cubed into centimeters cubed. So that marks the end of our lesson today. See you another time.